Hello, I'm glad you clicked to see some advantages of Web 2.0 tools in the math classroom. I'm going to highlight the advantages, some disadvantages with suggestions, and two of my favorite Web 2.0 tools, and suggestions on how to increase student motivation while using them. The four major advantages that I experienced using Web 2.0 tools to assign student work are instant feedback. Students have 24/7 help within the tool, the assignments naturally individualized for each student, and the ability to easily scaffold assignments. Instant feedback is my top reason for assigning student practice using Web 2.0 tools. Students know on the first problem if they understand and are doing the problem correctly. This helps students to know when they need to ask for help, if their strategy needs adjusting, and keeps them from practicing mistakes consistently. Students have 24/7 help using these tools. They no longer email you for help. They have options of viewing explanatory videos, seeing step-by-step worked examples, or working through examples receiving hints. These tools naturally individualize assignments. Students who are successful completing the assignment the first time receive the minimum amount of problems. Struggling students are able to repeat the assignment for a higher score. They end up with more problems. You no longer have to cater to a middle group. I can easily scaffold assignments with these tools. I build assignments using related concepts from previous and future grades, and even bridge the gap between different concepts easily. It's all done through a few clicks. There are two main disadvantages to using Web 2.0 tools from a teacher's perspective. They include the problem that not all students have internet access at home, known as the digital divide, and what about viewing a student's process through showing their work? Some ideas for giving students additional internet access are to have computer carts available in the lunchroom during breakfast time, set up homeroom times and/or study halls, set up homework labs in the library and make them open before and after school, have computer carts available in the office for students. A great way to get to view a student's process is to have them record the first problem and how they solved it on paper, have them repeat that for the last problem, and then finally have them write a reflection about how their process evolved. This format will encourage students to think about their process. Now for my two favorite tools for math practice, Khan Academy and mathgames.ocm. Some additional benefits for using Khan Academy for math practice is the fact that it integrates easily with Google Classroom. If you use Google Classroom as your learning management system, you will love the Google Classroom features. Secondly, the student reports that you receive from Khan Academy are powerful. I use them to set up intervention groups, monitor student learning, and much more. Finally, Khan Academy has a large library of student resources for if they need help. There are videos, step-by-step worked examples, hints, quizzes, unit tests, grade level tests, and reviews. If you're a math teacher and you have not yet tried Khan Academy, I suggest you do so now. My students get bored if everything we do comes from Khan Academy, so my second favorite Web 2.0 tool is mathgames.com. Additional benefits include the fact it also integrates well with Google Classroom. If you assign the resource in Google Classroom, students will see their score appear in Google Classroom. You can change the number of problems assigned, a feature many wish Khan would add. There are games and practice sets that you can assign. This keeps students from getting bored. Finally, let's look at how you can use these tools to easily increase student motivation. My students love the fact we have rewards for reaching different levels on Khan Academy. Top students at the end of the year even receive a t-shirt identifying them as a Khan artist. I often hand out little pieces of candy for top scores on different games and tests. Students will automatically repeat the assignment to improve their score. This works well because the problems will be different each time. Finally, anything that you can think of to gamify your classroom works. Students love games. Some are motivated to improve their own scores or to be the top in the class. Recognize both so that you reach all learners. I hope I inspired you in some way. Remember, use the comment section of this video as a discussion board for math teachers. Together, we can solve all the world's problems.